student, how are you? Today we are going to discuss about social studies class 4 lesson number 4, the Great Indian Desert. Today's point of discussion is water resource. In our last class we discussed about the visitation of the Great Indian Desert. Here, due to lack of rain, we find few plants in this region. Especially at some places plum, then cactus and thorny kickers are found there. These plants require little water, and these plants need very little water. That's the reason why this type of plants can grow in the desert regions too, isn't it? We also discuss about the life of people. People in this region lead very hard lives. They do not even get enough water to drink. People have to walk long distance to for collecting their drinking water from deep wells or from springs, isn't it? So here also we discussed about the means of transport. So here for transportation it is very difficult because maximum area is covered with sand. Travel is difficult in the desert. It is difficult to build roadways as well as railways, isn't it? We discussed in our last class. Here camel is used for transportation. It is the best means of transport, and that is the reason why it is called the sheep of desert. So when people move in group on camel, they are called caravans. I will show you some pictures of caravans here. Look at here, this is kicker tree. So this is available in the desert region. Likewise, some cactus trees are there which are available in the desert region, because these trees need very little amount of water for survival. Okay, so kicker tree, kind of cactus, plum trees which are available in the desert region. During our discussion we discussed about caravans, right? So this is a picture of caravan. Here you see how people move in group through desert, you see, with the help of camel. Camel is called the sheep of desert, isn't it? So they move in a group with the help of what is the name of this animal? That is called what? Camel. Another pic you see, this is the pic where people move in group and form caravan. So we discussed about oasis. So this is the picture of oasis that is in your book. Okay, so you see the picture, water is available only this limited area, isn't it? And where nearby the other trees can grow. Clear? So this is the area where in desert region water is available. Now let us discuss about the assignment that I gave in my last class. The assignment was describe the location and extent of the Thar desert. I am giving here point wise so that you can learn properly. First, the western part of Rajasthan is known as the Thar desert. So it is the western part of Rajasthan which is known as Thar desert. The Thar desert lies to the west of Aravalli hills. So Thar desert lies to the west side of the Aravalli hills. The Thar desert spread from Aravalli hills to the border of Pakistan in the west, and from Rana of Kutch in the southwest to the border of Haryana in the north. So for long answer, 3 marks answer, so you can write these 3 points. Now come to the point of discussion, that is water resource. We all know that the desert region there is a lack of water in India. So earlier water is available only oasis region, isn't it? Where water is available and people settle around the oasis so that they can get water. We all know our life will not be possible without water, isn't it? So water is very necessary for our daily use as well as for our agricultural field. Yes or no? So the government is trying to provide water to Rajasthan for irrigating fields and for daily use. For irrigation, through irrigation, they provide water for the agricultural field in Rajasthan as well as for daily use. So the water from Satluj has been brought to the desert through the Rajasthan Canal, which is also called Indira Gandhi Canal. So government provides some water facilities. They construct some canals. One canal, what is the name of that canal? That is Indira Gandhi Canal or Rajasthan Canal, so that the farmer can use water through this canal and they can grow crops, isn't it? And for their daily use, the water is they can get from this Rajasthan Canal. I will show you some pictures here. And there are some saltwater lakes in Rajasthan. Okay, saltwater lakes where water is salty in those lakes. So Sambar Lake in Rajasthan is India's largest salt lake. So question may become, which is the largest salt lake in India? So your answer will be what? Sambar. Sambar Lake in Rajasthan is the India's largest salt lake. Students, look at this picture. This is the picture of Indira Gandhi Canal that is constructed by government. So Indian government, they construct a canal so that our Rajasthan become a green, isn't it? Because this region is mostly covered with sandy areas, desert region. So farmers feel difficult to grow their crops. So government provides special facility by constructing a canal. The name is Indira Gandhi Canal. I told you before, this is the picture of Indira Gandhi Canal, isn't it? Now we come to the end of our video, that is home assignment. Your home assignment is, what do you mean by oasis? You write this answer in your classwork copy. Okay, you got your copies, right? So you write all the answers from all chapters, whatever I have given, you write in your classwork copy. Thank you.